In this video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust Ray-Ban frames. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about making small adjustments to the frames on your Ray-Ban glasses. So, adjusting these frames requires a delicate touch. You will be able to do minor adjustments at home. However, if you aren't comfortable doing this, or if you believe that they are too damaged, the best course of action, and of course the most secure, would be to take it to a professional. But if you want to try to do this yourself, first look at the frame of your glasses. If they don't have screws, it could be as simple as gently bending them back in shape. You can use a tool like this one to hold them into position and then slowly curve them into the proper angle. Ideally, you want to have as close to a 90-degree angle as possible. So if they are way too open like this, just bring them back a little bit until the angle is more straight. Like I said, this is going to be done using a specialized tool to gently bend them back into shape if they don't have screws holding the arms to the frame. So if they don't have screws, gently bend it back into shape. Do not over adjust and be gentle. If they do have screws like this, then all that you need is a small precision screwdriver and you will be able to tighten them. So if the screw is coming loose or if you notice that it is way too flimsy overall, just secure it like this using the small precision screwdriver. Once you tighten it a little bit, it should help with the integrity of the frames and they are going to feel much more secure and attached to your face. So all that you have to do is examine if you have screws or if you need to gently mold it back into shape slowly. I hope I was able to help you on how to adjust Ray-Ban frames. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.